Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to play Call of Duty Mobile like a pro. Well, here are some tips and tricks. Try using FOV of 51 when an enemy is close to you and switch to a full FOV when the enemy is far away. The best FOVs are 60 and 50. These settings will allow you to see the enemy clearly. Set the move button to 120%. This will give you a faster movement speed. The best graphic settings are medium and max. This will prevent lag and give you a better gaming experience. Make sure to add your aim before entering a match. In games, talk to your team and work together to beat enemies fast. When sniping, aim for the body, not the head, to hit more often. Good teamwork is key to winning. Be quick and precise. Talk well with your team. Aim correctly and win as a group. Stay focused and coordinated. Act fast, aim right, and celebrate victories together. And that's how to play Call of Duty Mobile like a pro. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.